Wonderful.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a Nykaa haul. Now this is not sponsored. I personally placed an order and these are the things that I picked up and I want to share them with you guys because they're really fun, really exciting. I wait for like sales to happen for me to make my purchase. The last time I ordered on Nykaa was during the Pink Friday sale, which was like last year, I think. So it's been a while since I've shopped, so I've accumulated quite a few things. So yeah, let's just get started with today's haul. Okay, I think let's get started with body care. That's the category that I want to start with because I love body care. So the first product that I have with me is a shower gel. Now this is from Dove and this is a shower mousse and this is in the scent like coconut. I have been loving coconut. There are a few more products that are coconut based and this comes out like a mousse, like wo shaving foam hoti hai na jo maybe your father uses while shaving. That's like the consistency of this and also really nourishes your skin whenever you use it. It makes your skin feel so soft and smells amazing. So yeah, I love this one. The next two products that I have are from Victoria's Secret. Now Victoria's Secret has recently launched on Nykaa and I'm so excited about it. They have my favorite scent also available on it, which is called Pure Seduction. जब मैंने देखा था, it was out of stock. I hope it's back in stock. In case you want to buy just one scent, trust me, just buy it. You're not gonna regret it. And also they have a buy one get one free offer running right now. So what I got in my buy one get one were these two products. So this one is a scrub and this is in the variant Cocoa Scrub. This literally straight up smells like coconut. It smells like a tropical vacation, like the epitome of a tropical vacation. Smells so good and the scrub is really nice. It's not too harsh, gentle on your skin, but does a good job. And then we have the matching scent. This also smells exactly like that. Smells very coconutty, vanilla-y, like basic my scent. Like, you know, these are the kind of scents I gravitate towards and I have to like spray it, right? Every time I do a haul, I have to like spray stuff on myself. It smells amazing. We have one more scent. This is from Plum Body Loving, which is one of my favorite brands and my favorite scent that they have, which is called Vanilla Vibes, that has recently launched in a perfume. How could I not pick that up? I'm gonna be like throwing this in my bag and using it every single day. Already मैं mist तो use करती थी. ये perfume है, EDP है, so it's more concentrated. Smells exactly like the OG mist, but much more stronger and lasts a lot longer. Then we have a body lotion. Now for the summers, I've been kind of running away from body lotions almost because it's so hot, it's so sticky. But I picked this one up because I could use this on my tattoo. I was supposed to use it on my tattoo and this just smells so good. It makes me want to apply it every single day in the morning. It smells like cucumbers, like fresh cucumbers in the best way possible. It's not sticky at all. So definitely check this out in case you're wanting a nice body lotion for the summers. This is a random product that I picked up, but I picked it up with a purpose. So my feet have been extremely dry for some reason. So I thought this might help me out. So this is the Innisfree Special Care Foot Mask. जैसे sheet mask होता है face के लिए, वैसे एक foot mask है. I'm really looking forward to trying this out. The next product is from Bombay Shaving Company. Now ये product I've been eyeing for a long time. So basically इसका concept ये है that you can take this with you when you're traveling and it has everything that you need in order to shave. So it has a razor right here. फिर ऐसे इसको twist कर लेते तो एक और razor है, backup razor. Then it has a bar of soap and then it has a spray in which you can fill water. So this is like your go-to traveling kit whenever you travel. So recently I've been traveling a lot and मैंने notice किया कि मैं जब razor नहीं carry करती हूँ, that's when I end up needing a razor and I don't want to carry like a bulky ass razor. So this is what I'm going to be using and I have tried it out and it works really well. Now moving on to the face. Now this is a recommendation that I have for you guys. This is a scrub from Neutrogena. This is both a chemical and physical exfoliant and this works so well. Recently I have been noticing that my makeup hasn't been sitting very well and after using this I could tell why. Basically my skin was very uneven, patchy ho gayi thi. There were a few like whiteheads on my nose and after using this product my makeup has been sitting way better. So I definitely recommend this one. Then we have an ice roller. So basically इसका ये concept है कि आप इसको फ्रिज में रख दो रात को and in the morning when you're like doing your morning routine you can use this to kind of deep puff. So I love using this in the the morning, because if I have like a morning shoot, I can use this, depuffs my face, and I'm good to go. And also it feels really relaxing. I would definitely recommend this for like a self-care night. Okay, the next product that I have for you guys, I am shook by this product. So basically this is kind of like a dupe of the Revlon स्टोन और whatever. बेसिकली वो जो रेवलॉन का एक स्टोन है जो 3000 रुपीज का आता है, बेसिकली यू यूज इट एंड इट काइंड ऑफ अब्सॉर्ब्स ऑल द ऑयल फ्रॉम योर स्किन. ये भी सेम ही है. दिस हैज अ वॉल्केनिक रॉक इनसाइड इट एंड इट रोटेट्स, सो यू जस्ट यूज इट ऑन योर स्किन एंड इट्स सपोज टू अब्सॉर्ब ऑल द ऑयल. इट्स सपोज टू डू द जॉब ऑफ अ ब्लॉटिंग शीट एंड अपेरेंटली यू कैन यूज दिस फॉर एवर, फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ. यू रिमूव द बॉल, वॉश इट, एंड देन you can use it again, over and over again. And guess what, it actually works and I love it. This is so much more inexpensive than that Revlon wala ball, and also you don't have to keep buying blotting sheets. If you're an oily mess like me, you need this in your life. Okay, so the next product that I picked up is from Bronson. तो ये है उनका facial kit, facial and body exfoliating kit. So it comes with a bunch of different heads and I have a few things to say about it. So basically all the other 4 heads that it comes with are quite useless, but ये वाला जो एक head है वो काफी अच्छा है. If you want like a very gentle brush, exfoliating brush for your face, wherein you can put your face wash in it and then use it, go for it. But then all the other 4 heads are absolute rubbish. So yeah, if you're looking for an affordable face brush, go for it. Okay, let's do makeup. So if I had to recommend just one eyeshadow palette to you guys, it would be the James Charles palette. Now this palette has my heart. I travel with it because neutrals bhi hai, colorful shades bhi hai, the pigmentation is great, it blends amazing, it's so like travel friendly. It's the mini one, it's not the big bulky one. So if you have the budget to invest in this palette, I would definitely recommend. But if you're looking for a cheaper alternative, this is the one that I would recommend. So I recently saw this pop up on Nykaa. So this is the Maybelline The Nudes palette. I used to use this like 5-6 years ago when I was in college. It's still very affordable. The pigmentation is really good and it has so many beautiful nude shades for you to pick from. If you don't have like a eyebrow powder, there's a beautiful brown that you can use to fill in your brows. Then black bhi hai isme. Fir highlight shade bhi hai that you can use on your actual face. It's a very versatile palette for like a day-to-day basis. You can wear it for like going to college, or you can like smoke it up and wear it to the club as well. We have another Maybelline product. So this is the Maybelline's Fit Me setting spray. I've always been very much against setting sprays, but recently I've been loving them. तो Fit Me का कोई product आए और मैं try ना करूँ, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. I love the Fit Me range and yeah, this is what I'm going to be trying out next. Okay, this is a recommendation that I have for you guys. This is the Mamaearth liquid lipstick. So I wore this to my cousin's wedding. उनकी रात की शादी थी, so it went on from like 8 o'clock till 6 o'clock in the morning, and I had this beautiful red lipstick from Mamaearth, which was in the shade Beat It Red, and it was on my lips throughout the night. I was eating quite a lot, do bear in mind, and it stayed on and it was so comfortable, so pigmented. They have so many amazing shades for you to pick from. So this is a recommendation, a really good liquid lipstick. So brows are really trendy. They've been trendy for a while. So this is a product that I picked up from Makeup Revolution. यहाँ पे वो soap product and brush भी आता है साथ में. I think it's a pretty decent product. I did try it out for myself and I would say it's pretty good. This is a repurchase. In case you don't already know, PAC का eyelash glue is like above all. It's amazing. I get this transparent one, very heavy duty. Do bear in mind. So अगर मैं सुबह लगा लेती हूँ lashes, I don't have to like touch them up at all, even after like 12-15 hours. So yeah, it's a really good eyelash glue. I've gone through multiple number of tubes. Then we have these eyelashes. So usually I go for like strip eyelashes. I still love strip eyelashes, but I want like a more natural look. So I picked up these individual lashes. They're much easier to apply as compared to like these big strip lashes. So if you're a beginner, maybe this is something that you can try out. So you guys already know that I'm obsessed with the Face Shop's mascara, which is for like 300-400 rupees. It's really good and I'm running out right now, so I was feeling adventurous. I picked up a new mascara. This is a new mascara, even like it's recently launched. It's new in the market. So it's from L'Oreal and it's called the Air Volume Mega Mascara. I did try it out and it is pretty good. it's actually really really good. And also it says that it's easy waterproof. So I personally hate waterproof mascaras because it's so difficult to remove them, but ye wala, it's like it kind of like peels off like in the best way possible. So it's a really good mascara. Okay, moving on to hair. So I have been obsessed with this range. So anyway, I love the Extraordinary range from L'Oreal. उसका जो सीरम है मैंने like 5-6 bottles के खत्म कर दिए, and recently they came out with the shampoo and conditioner, and it's so good. Especially the conditioner is to die for. मैंने परसों ही मेरे बाल धुए थे, and I can't stop touching my hair. I haven't felt this strongly about a shampoo and conditioner in a long time, and you definitely won't regret it. एक और hair related product है. So these are power gummies. These are meant for your hair and your nails. The main purpose behind buying these was for my nails. My nails have been, they're really really bad, because I keep like going and getting my extensions done. So now I just stick to like press-ons, but basically these are supposed to really help you with your hair and nails, and I used to swear by these and use them all the time last year, but for some reason मैंने छोड़ दिया use करना, तो got myself a restock. Same power gummies की ही brand ने निकाले हैं periods के time के लिए gummies. So basically you're supposed to have these 2 days before your periods, 2 days after your periods, and while you're on your periods, and this is supposed to really help you with your cramps during your periods. So I did go on Nykaa and read the reviews, and the reviews were like mind blowing. They were all so positive, so many good things about this product, and I was sold. I was like, I have to try this out for myself. I will obviously try this out for myself जब periods आएंगे, and I'll keep you guys posted. Oh, I have one more nail related product. This is the last product that I have, and then I'm gonna be gone. So basically, as I said, my nails are super weak, and this is like a nail oil, cuticle oil almost. So it has like a lip gloss doe foot applicator, and then you just apply it on your nails. Massage it in. You can use it, I think, preferably at night. Massage it in and then go to bed. I hope this really works out for me. Fingers crossed. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed the super lengthy Nykaa haul. I'm obviously going to be making sure to leave everything linked in the description box below. As I mentioned earlier, this is not a sponsored video. Everything is bought with my own money. All my opinions are my own. They always are, but in this video also. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.